Hi everyone. In this example, we will create a talent development plan. Let's go to Chat GPT. Now, the first thing I'll do is to understand what should be the metrics on which we need to assess a person. So I will give it some context saying that 9-box grid is currently used, but the attrition is quite high. My high pot employees are leaving, which are the high potential employees. What are the alternatives? So now, along with the context that has been given, obviously the output is a lot better. It tells me alternatives and enhancements. So for example, stay interview, talent marketplace, AI driven predictive talent management, and so on. Now, as a part of my talent development plan, if I also want to create learning content for these people who are leaving, so create a survey first and then the learning content for these high potential employees. So with the goal of retaining these people, as you can see, we are able to get a survey like this. So we started with 9-box grid, which is what we are currently using. We said the attrition is high, high potential employees are leaving. What are the alternatives? Then we created a survey. Now we can also ask it to create a 45-minute learning content for the high potential employees. What do you suggest? So as you can see, it is now giving us the suggestion in terms of what can be done, the topic, the objective, duration, and the agenda breakdown like this. And that's pretty good, right? Now we want a PowerPoint format for delivery. So I can copy the entire thing. And then we go to Gamma. In this, we can create a new PowerPoint from scratch. We'll paste all the content, choose a traditional PPT in a 16:9 format. And then on Gamma, we can choose the amount of text that we want. So I'm not changing anything at the moment. There are 8 slides that it is creating. Continue. I will choose one of the themes and generate. And as you can see, we are now able to create an entire PowerPoint from the agenda that we had earlier. So accelerating career growth and leadership impact. We have the agenda, the welcome and context setting, the high potential advantage, key skills for career acceleration, career growth and visibility, action plan, and the session outcomes. I can also go back and ask it to create 10 MCQs, or rather FAQs, with the right and the wrong answer. Again, if you notice, this is a great way of self-paced learning by the high potential employees, which is the right and the wrong answer. So I've just given you the first few steps. You can continue to ask more and more prompts, and it's always a good idea to ask ChatGPT what else can it suggest back to you. So not just you giving it the prompt and getting the output, but asking ChatGPT to recommend to you what should be the next logical step forward.